Hello, engineers. Today we will discuss some of the business model for engineers. There are several business models that engineers can consider when starting their own business or as a consultant. Here I am just looking at some potential business models for engineers. To find out the right kind of business model according to your expertise is very important. Hi, my name is Pradeep Kumar KP. I am the engineers growth coach. I help engineers to achieve high income growth and happy living with a purpose in their life. I train the engineers to become knowledge givers. We were just talking about some business models that engineers can use. So we will start with consulting services. Engineers can offer consulting services to other businesses or individuals to provide expert advice, technical guidance, or project management services. As an expert, they can look into the project to find some solutions to execute it properly, and also to suggest solutions to overcome some problems in the engineering field. So this is one of the model, that is consulting services. The second one I just want to introduce you is the design and build services. Engineers can offer design and build services for construction projects, product development, or other technical solutions. This can involve creating custom designs and overseeing the construction or manufacturing process. So design and build services, something the engineers can use his expertise to create some product or do some construction, create the designs for that, and also overseeing the construction and also the manufacturing process. So this can be also one of the business model. Then project management services. Engineers can provide project management services for large scale construction projects. So software development or any other technical projects. This involves overseeing and planning, coordination, and execution of the project. That is the overall project manager. If they take a particular project, they will be doing overall management of the project. Then software development services. Engineers with expertise in software development can offer custom software development services to business or government agencies or individuals looking at the application of their interest. Because in each and every field and each and every functionality of business or engineering, design, development, manufacturing, and management requires software tools. So software development services is another business model for engineers. Product development services, specifically, engineers can offer product development services for businesses looking to develop new products or improve the existing ones. This involves designing, prototyping, and testing new products. So product development, because product is the main thing in any business. So improving and having a good performance product is very important. So product development services can be one of the business model for engineers. Then research and development services. Engineers can provide research and development services to business or organization looking to develop new technologies, improve processes, or create new products. So R&D services, that can also be a business model. Training and education services. Engineers can offer training and education services to business, organizations, or individuals to help them to improve their technical skills and knowledge. Because the flow of knowledge, quality of the knowledge, it will be decided success of any business, whether it is technical or any other action-driven knowledge that is provided. So the training is the much important aspects. So this, other than this, we can also find many other models looking at our expertise, like machining, assembly. You can get into the assembling of something, or testing of something, or marketing of some product, or engineering a product, or sales and repair, maintenance, services, etc. So you can list out a number of business models, looking at the business you are going to deal, the industrial area or the functional area or the application area of the product, and your expertise. So it's important for engineers to evaluate their strength, interest, and expertise when choosing a business model. They should also consider the demand for their services, the competition in their field, and the potential growth and profitability from that business model. So thank you very much. Hope that this information will be serving for your thought process to design a business model for your taste. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you again.